Lately, I have felt stuck. Not because I lack ambition, not because I don't have goals, but because I have been living with scattered energy. Too many distractions, too much wasted time, too much autopilot. And honestly, I got tired of feeling weak. So, for the next 90 days, I am rebuilding myself. This isn't about becoming a comic book character. It's about building the traits he represents: discipline, competence, emotional control, responsibility, leadership, and purpose. For a long time, I kept thinking about changing my personality, becoming more confident, more respected, more disciplined. But I realized something: personality doesn't change first, actions do. My biggest enemy wasn't weakness, it was inconsistency. I kept waiting to feel motivated, and every time motivation disappeared, I went right back to old habits. So I made one rule: that question changes everything. Instead of relying on motivation, I built a system. This is the actual system I will be using for the next 90 days. Everything is written down. No guessing, no depending on mood, no negotiating with myself. Every day has non-negotiables. Wake up on time, no porn, physical training or walking, deep study, clean environment, grooming properly, journaling, intentional communication. Nothing complicated, just actions repeated long enough to become identity. Every week I have challenges: one uncomfortable task, one confidence challenge, one long study block, honest progress review. Because growth only happens when comfort ends. Every month has a target weakness, like discipline, attention span, dopamine addiction, procrastination, confidence. Instead of trying to fix everything at once, I will attack one weakness at a time. This plan isn't about becoming emotionless. It's not about acting cold. It's not about fake masculinity. And it's definitely not about looking powerful. Real strength isn't loud. Real strength is reliable. It's showing up when you don't feel like it, keeping promises to yourself, staying calm under pressure, doing difficult things consistently. As someone training in neurosurgery, I know competence matters more than appearance. The most respected people aren't the loudest, they are the most dependable. That's why I'm documenting this publicly, not because I have already transformed, but because I'm still in progress. Every video from now on will be an update: what worked, what didn't, where I failed, and how I improve. No fake perfection, just honest progress. If you are trying to rebuild yourself too, maybe this journey helps you do the same. The system you saw in this video is the exact one I will be using. If you'd like a copy of it, comment system below. This is day 1, 90 days, no more autopilot. Let's see who I become.